Hi guys, this is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. Just doing a very quick video on how to remove the back of the Acer Aspire Z3 615 manufactured around 2014-2015. This is a really easy one to take the back off. Some of these can be quite difficult, but this one is very straightforward. You basically got 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would lie it down on a flat surface somewhere that's obviously protecting the screen, and you've also got 1 and then 2, one right underneath there, just under the bracket, if you can see that, somewhere there, yeah, and then 1 there. And then what we'll do, we'll undo those screws and we'll come back to that in 1 second. Okay, now we've got those screws removed. As you can see, that back panel comes off. When you do undo the screws, be careful because that can drop, and the 3 screws are removed from there. And then it's really quite simple. You just literally put your hand there, put your thumb there, and with a bit of a pull of that down there, and then that literally lifts off very easily like that. Of course, therefore giving you the hard drive, which is the most important thing to actually upgrade to SSD. That's exactly what's happening with this machine here. So yeah, just a quick video guys, hope that's useful to you. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much.